Hello from London. This is just a little flat or apartment tour to show you where we are staying. Now, normally we would stay in a hotel. There's a cheap little hotel that we really like and we always stay there. But because we're here for a week this time, we wanted to get something that had like a basic kitchen, in the very least, like a fridge, so that we could buy soy milk, we could make ourselves cups of tea and coffee in the morning, we could make sandwiches, things like that to save us a bit of money, because it does get very expensive very, very quickly. And we ended up in this place. And I've got to say, it's pokey, it's wee, but I really like it here. I think we have found a new place that we really, really like. So the other thing about this place is we looked at the regular hotel that we would stay at and it was something ridiculous, like 800 quid for the entire week. This was like 213. It was under 250 for the week, which is kind of a no-brainer for us. But there you go. It's got a wee sofa, TV. The kitchen is way better than I could have ever expected. It's got a hot plate, oven, microwave, fridge, washing machine, which is infinitely helpful because even though we're just washing small amounts, we can wash it by hand and throw it in the washing machine just for a spin dry, and then it's basically dry and ready to go. We just hang it up overnight and we're good to go. So it's been fantastic because it's meant that we can cook our own meals, we can make sandwiches and things, and that has been hugely helpful when it comes to cutting back on costs. Now, with the meals that we have been making, what I have been doing is I've been posting pictures of those on Instagram because I'm a little bit obsessed with Instagram, and I have been putting the recipes over on Patreon. Yes, I am banging on about Patreon again. But, you know, like I said before, these people support us and we want to give them extra things as a thank you. So what I've been doing is I've been posting the recipes in a PDF format so that it's not just like a written recipe. This is something you can print out and use if you want to. And there's a few things. There's a couple of noodle dishes. There are sandwiches. There's all sorts going up there as and when we cook it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and head on over to Patreon and get yourself some recipes.